Hello guys, so I have added a new feature to my application. Of course, the application I use to manage expenses and incomes, and you can also download it and use it for that can help you to manage. So basically this is the application. It's already installed on my machine. So previously when you insert your username and your password, for you to log in you had to come and manually click the login button, but that was kind of annoying for me, and I decided to add something new whereby you can just click your enter button, you log in. The same thing when you are searching. Let's say you are searching maybe January. Previously you had to come and click the search button manually, but now you can just click on enter and it just works. Same thing to expenses. You can just type something, let's say rent, click on enter, it just works. So that's the minor change I've added. And remember, you can download this application here and you can use it on your machine. It's so easy to download. You come to this website, Moshe Crafts, just come here for finance expense tracking, click on view more, and you just download it. And this application is using MongoDB, so make sure you have MongoDB locally. Then it can be able to use to manage your expenses, your income. You can export CSV, you have dark mode, secure mode, and I make this kind of custom applications. You can inbox me for if you need any custom applications like these ones. Thank you.